What's up, everybody? Larry Porter here, and I'm back once again, back with Majestic Travel. And in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how to add flights to your existing group cruise bookings. Whether this be an individual or a group cruise, I'm going to show you how to add flights as a flight add-on with the cruise line itself. All right? You do not want to miss this. All right, welcome back, future travel agents. If you are a travel agent, you must be a travel agent to go through goccl.com. This is the site we use to book cruises for our clients. But if you're looking to become a travel agent, make sure you watch this video to the end, as I will leave you important instructions on how to get started and learn more about this, how to get into the travel industry. All right, so make sure you stay to the end and watch that. So let's say here, right quick, this is what you need to do. So once you're inside your GoCCL dashboard, you want to go up here to group to booking. Scroll down to manage booking. Okay, whether this be an individual group stateroom or a group booking, either way will work. Okay, so it depends on your booking. You select the option and you put in your booking number on the next page. But for the cause of this video, I'm going to select group booking. Let's see, booking number, put this one in. Okay, here's in the booking that I did for a client. So let's say we want to add flights. This is a group booking. Let's say we want to add flights to, they may be coming out of different states. So let's say you got people from all over the United States, and there's no central place for the whole entire group, or should I say central destination for the whole entire group to fly out of. Well, this is what you do. Now, the first thing you have to do in order to even get to this point is you must berth the cabins, okay? And what I mean by that is you must assign the cabins to the individual. So it's 2 per cabin, unless they want to add more people to a cabin, want to make it a trio, a quad, or a quince cabin. That's totally up to your clients. So, for example, let's say we got 2 people that want to share a cabin. So what you gotta do is berth the guest, and once this process is done after the deposit has been made. Okay, you can't do anything until the deposit has been made. Now you can create the booking, but you can't do anything like upgrades, berth the cabins, or any flight add-ons until after the deposit has been made by that individual. Okay, so let's say for example, we got 2 people who already paid their deposit. We can actually go in here and berth those guests. So you click on berth guests down at the bottom, put in the information. It's going to be 2 people for this cabin. They're going to be coming out of, let's say one is Nevada, one is Connecticut. And we go to search. Okay, now you just select a cabin that you want them to go in. So this got ocean view, you got interior, you got the porthole. Let's say porthole. It gives you an ocean view with the inside cabin rate. Let's say they want a interior. Let's go to select. So this is on the 6th deck. So now you just select one of these rooms. We'll just select this one, for example. So now all you do is enter your client's information, okay? Once you enter your client's information, okay, I'm not going to put in any information for the sake of this video, but once you put in your client's information and assign the cabins to your clients, to those individuals, okay, now you can select whether they want air or not. If you notice, if you try to add air while you berth the cabin, it's going to put up a pop-up saying that you must contact them. Okay, you can only add air, or should I say flight add-ons, if you call the cruise line, call Carnival. You have to call Carnival to add the flights. Okay, so after you enter all this information in, okay, you must call Carnival and say, hey, look, I want to do flight add-ons for such and such. Okay, now once you birth these individuals to their cabin, it's going to generate a unique booking number. Okay, it's going to be different from your group booking number. It's going to be translated into a individual booking number. Now, this is the booking number that the Carnival representative would need to do the flight add-on. So, once again, after the deposit has been made, you can birth the cabins, and then after you birth the cabins and let it generate your unique individual booking number, you can now give that booking number to your Carnival representative, which in return will give you the ability to add flights. Okay, they will give you the prices, everything you need, but you only have to call Carnival. You can't do it directly online. You must call Carnival to do the flight add-on. Okay, so I hope this video was valuable. Hope you found value from this video. So make sure that you leave a comment below if you found value. Let us know your feedback on it. Got any questions? Leave a comment. If you or anybody you know that's looking to get into the travel industry as a travel agent, click the link in the description or within the video somewhere up here and learn more about how to get into the travel industry. There's a free video for you to watch. Okay, so I'm Larry Porter signing off, and I hope you found value. Happy traveling. Bye-bye.